Join lining to lining and main to main fabric on the princess cut shape to get the nice finishing on the wrong side also.
To start the stitching, first match the princess cut of side seam and the center part for front and back both the parts and fix with the awl pin to stitch. If you want to enhance your princess cut blouse, then join some laces, piping or jari gota or whatever in between the joining of the princess cut. The same we have done for the front part, back part and sleeves. At the down of the sleeve we have done. Now we are going to stitch with the machine the same. In your electronic multi-purpose machine, change the foot, attach zipper foot to stitch the piping or lace or whatever the jewelry. This we are going to joining with the front part on the princess line. This way we are stitching the same on the bottom of the sleeve also. To finish the open for the front, keep both the front parts this way. Shoulder will be on your side and place on your right hand side 1.5 width of the strip and other side left hand side 2-inch width. This strip is 2-inch width. This is 1.5. This way you place, fix with the awl pin and stitch to finish the front open. Match all the edges with the strip and the part and join to finish the strip, hook strip for the right hand side part. We have folded totally the strip on the wrong side and we are going to finish with the hem. The other part, the left hand side part, we folded half. This strip is half folded here and finished with the stitch, machine stitch only. Finish the strips, waist strip for the back part, turn towards wrong side and finish with the hem. The same way finish and turn the strip here for the front parts, 2 front parts, and 1 hook strip that we attached fully we have turned towards wrong side. There we are going to stitch the hooks, there finish with the hem. And the same way we finished the sleeve, the strip is finished with the hem. Match the front and back shoulder parts and fix with the awl pin and stitch with the machine. Now we are stitching the shoulder of the front and back together. Now place the front and back neck strip this way and by keeping on the open on the front side, by keeping little extra that we are going to fold on wrong side this way. Place the strip according to the shape and fix with the awl pin. This way I am fixing and now we are going to stitch and to finish the neckline. Already we matched the strip with the blouse neckline. Now we are stitching with the machine. We have finished the front and back neckline this way. We stitched the strip. Now the strip, turn the strip towards wrong side and fold the other side edges of the strip this way and finish with the hem this way. If somewhere it is pointed like this square or diamond shape, then this joining, on the joining you slit little 1/4 inch or one very little slit, then turn the strip, then you will get the perfect point here. Now fold the sleeve this way and at the center of this armhole cut a small notch mark. This we are going to match with the armhole of the blouse. Now match this notch mark with the shoulder seam of the blouse and match the front to front armhole and back to back armhole. Now turn this sleeve towards wrong side up. Now match the notch mark, turn the sleeve this way towards wrong side. Now it is matching right to right and wrong to wrong side. This way match this notch mark with the shoulder seam and fix with the all pin. Now we are going to start the sleeve with the blouse from this point only. Start stitching from this point, come towards the side seam with the armhole shape of one side and come back to the center again and continue with the other side of armhole and come again back with the double stitch and finish the seam here again. We have stitched one side of armhole of the sleeve with the blouse. Now we are continuing for the other side of armhole. दोनों बगल के आकार गोलाई में हैं, इसलिए अच्छी तरह से किनारों को मैच करके सिलें. End of the sleeve sides and blouse side should match properly. Fix with the pin and continue to stitch for the other side of armhole of the sleeve with the blouse. Now we are ending the stitch here, and the ends are perfectly matched. Measure 1 inch for the side seam on the bust, on the armhole side of the blouse. On the back side we are taking the side seam measurement. On the bottom here we have taken 1/4 of the waist and match this point this way. Now fold the sleeve and place this way to mark the half of the sleeve bottom. Now measure the half of the sleeve bottom this way on the sleeve and match this point with the bust side seam measurement. Now we are going to stitch from here towards the waist. This way you fold the blouse and mark for the other side of side seam along with the sleeve. Now match the front and back side seams together and along with the sleeve side seam stitch this way to finish the blouse. We are stitching the side seam of sleeve this way. Now to finish the blouse, mark the eyes for the strip which is extended outside. Mark for the eyes, and other side we are stitching the hooks this way. Now after stitching this hook and eye, my princess cut blouse is ready, and after completing the blouse will look this way. This is the back side of the blouse.